What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to your daily Bitcoin update. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking a look at Bitcoin as we do every day. So if you're new to this channel and you think that's valuable or interesting, make sure to subscribe. But yeah, in this video mostly we'll be talking about the price, because Bitcoin has been quite volatile over the last 24 hours. I think we all know that. Now at around 20,200. 2 days ago, obviously had quite a big bullish breakout, so we'll talk a little bit about that, what happened afterwards, and what's happening right now, and my general view on Bitcoin right now, kind of things I'm looking for, looking for when they happen. Apart from that, I'm pretty interested in the volume, because you all know volume of Bitcoin has been increasing actually over the last couple of months. Which is great fundamentally, right? Because that means that still people are buying, selling, trading Bitcoin, and I think that's great. That's a great sign of adoption and also utility. I think, because in the end, a lot of people are still using Bitcoin to do transactions too, me included. So yeah, volume at around 36 billion, obviously a lot. It's been pretty stable since yesterday, 9.4% of the market cap. That's pretty good too. But now let's take a look at the price. So obviously what I said, and I'm going to delete this. What I said 2 days ago is the main resistance we need to break, and what it was that level at around 19,900 and 20,000. I kind of grabbed them two together because 19,900 is the real level, but 20,000 is also a strong psychological level, right? So you get those together. Broke above that, got to the lower bound of this key area right here, as you can see, at around 20,500. I thought we would find resistance there, but ultimately what I think is going to happen, and I think this is valid, as long as we stay above this level, all right? I just wanted to, because yesterday we got pretty bearish. And I almost wanted to make like an update, because the thing is, and the way I see it is that you can clearly see that we have some sort of bullish momentum going on right here. So I'd say as long as we stay above 19,700, that's still the case. If we drop down below that, first of all, I was wrong, all right, because I don't expect that. But then we'll probably be a little bit more conservative in this uptrend. But what I expect is that you can also see that we're getting a bullish candle again after finding resistance at around that 20,450 level again. What I expect, and what I've expected for a week now, is that after this breakout we would get to 20,800, 20,700, kind of that level, which is the most important resistance level to me, all right? Because there, this small uptrend we have clashes with the general downtrend we're in ever since the mid August. All right, so that's going to be the most that's going to be a crucial moment, because from there, what's basically going to happen is, as I said, I think we're going to get there. Maybe we need to reject back down to 20,000 first. We're going to get there, and from there, if we can actually stay above 20,000, kind of, if we can hold our levels, then I think we can break above that in the next week, break above 20,900, get that break retest and start trending up to 22,000. I think this is the most likely scenario. I am a big proponent of a bullish October, but as I said, it's going to be our big test, because what could also happen is that we get a massive drop from there and drop down even lower. All right, you'll definitely recognize when that happens, because we'll probably get a big red candle such as this one or this one. So it's going to be interesting nonetheless. As I said, I might be a little bit too much of an optimist, but something like this is pretty accurate to what I expect right now. So we might consolidate a little bit longer than this, but still small adjustment. So yeah, that's my take on Bitcoin for today. If you do have any questions about it, or if you want to discuss that, let me know down in the comments. But again, if you found it valuable, please consider subscribing. Helps me out a ton. But for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.